Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard, here. Yeah, today we are looking at this grade 9 natural science question. It says, the list below shows the processes which occur in female reproductive system, not in correct order. The list include menstruation, fertilization, copulation, implantation, ejaculation, ovulation, giving birth, labor. So that's the list. And the question says, arrange the processes in order which occur when the woman does not become pregnant. Okay. We are looking at a scenario where a woman does everything it's supposed to do to become pregnant, and it doesn't become pregnant. And the question says, arrange them. So what is the order? What actually happens to this woman? Okay, let us look at the order. The first thing which happens is the copulation. Copulation is the process during which sperms are introduced into the female reproductive system. Some people call it the process of having sex. Okay. After copulation, what happens? During copulation, something happens. It's ejaculation. This is the process of releasing sperms from the male organ. Okay. So when the sperms are released into the from the male organ into the female's reproductive system, what is the next step? Next step, suppose the woman is at the right time, ovulation might occur. Our assumption is that we are at that very moment when ovulation occurs. So when ovulation occurs, it's not that every time the sperms are there and the egg is there that the baby is going to form. So ovulation occurs, but the baby is not formed for so many reasons. This is the topic we are going to cover extensively when you happen to choose science as your line of study. So ovulation has occurred. Ovulation is the releasing of the egg from the ovary. So, but by any reason, there is no formation of the baby. There's no fertilization. So what is going to happen? What is going to happen is a menstruation. Yeah, when you are grown up, you realize that menstruation is a sign that somebody is not pregnant. So those are the steps we have which occur when a woman does everything supposed to do and it doesn't become pregnant. Then comes this question. It says that arrange the processes in the correct order they occur when the woman becomes pregnant. Okay. Yeah. What happens? The processes, the first one are similar. Copulation occur. Copulation is that process which leads to release of sperms. So copulation leads to ejaculation. Okay. So suppose it's that very right time that ovulation will occur. When you proceed higher, this one can be interchanged. It's very possible that you menstruate today and the sperms comes tomorrow, or it's very possible that the sperms come and wait for the egg. But that one is debatable. You'll look at that at advanced level. So these ones can be interchanged. Suppose this is the right order. After ovulation, what step comes next? The next step is fertilization. After fertilization, what is the next step? Next step is the fertilized egg is implanted. So next step is implantation. That's when the fertilized egg, becomes attached to the uterus. Okay. So after fertilization and implantation, then the baby stays there for the period of time. That time which we call gestation period. And when the baby is due, some things happen. What happens is labor. Labor occurs, those contractions, which comes tending to push the baby out of the uterus. And the labor leads to giving birth. So those are the steps which happens when the woman does what it's supposed to do and it becomes pregnant and the baby is born. So with that, we would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet. See you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Yeah.